Hey, how's it going, Callie and Landon? This is Devin Norton again. Thank you so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. I'm just gonna and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just gonna briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can quickly and easily fix to start bringing in more customers immediately. I know you guys are wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's very simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of HVAC technicians in Texas who just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers because they're spending so much time taking care of their customers. And the only thing holding them back from just hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just do this stuff for me. If you want to do this yourself or if you want my help, either way is okay with me. I would just like some feedback on the video if that's okay. Now, I'm going to talk to you quickly about content, backlinks, and citations. But I just want to mention about your website. I love the look of it. I love this little scrolling review right here. I love the purple and stuff like that. It's very eye-catching. Your trucks look awesome. It's a great looking website. Google just doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care about is the most helpful websites for their customers, and the most helpful website typically has the most content on it. Content is just all this, the stuff that you can read, whatever images are saved as. And that's the reason, because it's so important, it's the reason why the average website on the homepage of Google, on the first page, has about 2,000 words. Looking at yours, not including the pictures, it looks like you probably have roughly about 200 to 300 words, maybe 400 including the picture names. So definitely something you want to beat. If you type in Plumbers Cedar Park TX, the people who show up first is Roto-Rooter, right? And it's a back page. They're going to be really easy to beat, but I'll show you really quick why they're beating you. Look at how much content they have on their page compared to yours. That's a ton. Look at all those words. It's a ton of words. So by getting yourself to 2,000 to 2,500 words, you're already going to blow them out of the water. In that content, you also want to have keywords. Keywords are just phrases people search into Google to find your business. And so some of the really valuable ones you want to be shooting for are like Plumbers Cedar Park TX, Cedar Park Plumbing, Plumbing Cedar Park TX. People search these in monthly. 150 people search this one, 150 people a month search this one, 80 search this one, 40 search this one monthly. So just taking those 4 keywords, that right there is 420 searches per month that you could be number 1 for, just like Roto-Rooter is, right? And for you, if I see where you're sitting at on those keywords, you're sitting like Plumber Cedar Park TX, you're on the 6th page. Plumber Cedar Park TX, you're on the 8th page, almost on the 9th page. Plumbing Cedar Park, 8th page. So these keywords you want to have within your content. And if I type in plumber, you don't even have the word plumber on your page anywhere. So definitely get your content up, definitely put those keywords in. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and so they want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. But they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if other HVAC companies are linking to you versus if, like, let's say Pizza Hut was linking to you. Because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So I use this tool to check it out. Check out backlinks. It's called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There's a lot of free tools out there that show the same info. This one's a little pricey, but either way, it says you guys have had links since July of 2019, and you currently have 23 websites linking to you. If you go over to Roto-Rooter, this is where the real big win is. They have 0 links going to this page whatsoever. The reason why they're ranking so high is because their main website is so powerful, and there's nobody for them to compete against. Like, literally, if you look at the home page, directory, back page. And I bet all these back pages have no links either. So really, you could take this like nothing. Sorry, I'm clicking so many things. All you have to do is get your content up. You already have referring domains. So by getting your content up and making sure you have those proper referring domains from like other HVAC companies, you're going to take this spot. Just make sure you get that content up. The last thing you got to do is after you take this home spot, you can put yourself in the ads if you want, but it gets expensive. Where you really want to make sure you show up is also right here. You're probably wondering, well, Devin, how the heck do I get in the Google My Business section? It's very simple. You just need to have more citations than your competitors. And as you can see, Proven Plumbing, they're not even on the home page right here. So why are they number 1? They have more citations. A citation is a citation is any time you list your exact name, your address, and your phone number in a directory. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website on the internet that allows you to list your business's information. So you probably recognize like Yelp and Yellow Pages and White Pages and stuff like that. What I would recommend is to go figure out what directories Proven Plumbing is sitting in, put yourself in those exact same ones, and add a bunch more on top. So if Proven Plumbing was in 150 directories, you should be putting yourself in like 250, if not 300. And that is all I've got for you. I hope you guys found this really informative and really helpful. Just as a really quick recap, you're going to want your website up to about 2,000 to 2,500 words and have those keywords within your content. You're going to just add a couple more links that are powerful that have to do with HVACs. If I go look, you probably don't have anything to do with HVAC. Yeah, none of these have anything to do with HVAC whatsoever, so nothing here is relevant. So make sure you get like at least 1 or 2 websites, like maybe go to ream.com and check out if you can get a link from them. And the last thing is put yourself in more directories than Proven Plumbing. And look, if you guys follow these 3 tips alone, you're going to be #1 across all of Google. So I know you're probably wondering, what do I do now? You have 2 options. You can take this information, you can apply it yourself, and that's totally okay with me. I'd love to see you guys thrive, and the only thing I ask for in return for this video is just a sentence or 2 of feedback to let me know if you thought this information was helpful. If you want to just continue running your business, you don't really want to worry about your marketing, but you do want more customers coming in, just give me a call back. I'll give you like a 10-minute call where you can just tell me a little bit about what your goals are, and I'll see if I even can do anything to help you. I'll point you in the right direction. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.